Quickly take these steps to reset an Android phone. Before you begin this process, ensure that your phone is charged above 80% or is plugged to power. The first step is to get to the settings of your Android smartphone. Look at my settings here, I will tap on it. Once you're on this settings page, scroll down. Once you get to system, tap on it. On this system page, you will see a lot of options. Select reset phone. Once you're taken to this reset phone settings, you will have reset Wi-Fi settings, reset app preferences, erase all data. Alright, since our interest here is on factory reset, tap on erase all data and follow the on-screen guide. Please, before you start this process, ensure you have already saved your important data that are on the phone. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.